Alright, let's look at the homework 14.5, problem number 4. Alright, so we want to find the partial derivative of w with respect to x evaluated at -3, -6. Alright, so let's find w sub s. Alright, so this is going to be, so w is a composition of f and u and v. So what we need to do is we need to take the partial derivative of f with respect to u and then multiply by the derivative of u with respect to s plus partial of f with respect to v times derivative of v, partial of v with respect to s. Alright, so we need to plug in these numbers. So you have w sub s of -3, -6. Alright, so this is going to be equal to f sub u. Alright, then we're going to have to do a little bit of work here. Alright, so u, if you plug in -3, -6 to u, and here, so you have a -6, -3, -6, so it's going to be 8. So I'm going to plug in 8 for u, and v, v is going to be -7, so it's a 8, -7. I multiply by u sub s at -3, -6 plus, right, f sub v, right, then this is going to be the same point, so it's going to be 8, -7 multiply by v sub s at -3, -6. And hopefully these values are given. Alright, so f sub u 8, 7, so this is 6 multiplied by u sub s 3, 6 is 2. Alright, plus f sub v 8, 7 is 9 multiplied by v sub s -3, -6. V sub s -3, -6, so it's going to be -9. Alright, so this is going to be, let's see, so 6 times 2 is 12 minus 81. Alright, so this is going to be negative, let's see, so that's going to be 9. So 7 minus 1, so it's a -69. Alright, so let's type it in. So we got the -69. Alright, so let's submit for testing. Alright, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, so let's do the other one. So it's a very, very similar. So w sub t is going to be f sub u times u sub now t plus f sub v times v sub t. Right, so this is going to be equal to f sub u. Right, so point is going to be the same as before, so it's going to be 8, -7. And then we have times u sub t, -3, -6, plus f sub v, plug in 8, -7, multiply by v sub t at -3, -6. Right? So let's just plug in what we know. So here, f sub u, so that's 6, multiplied by u sub t. U sub t at the -3, -6 is -4. Plus f sub v is 9, multiplied by v sub t is -1. Alright, so this is going to be equal to -24 minus 9. So it's going to be -33. Alright, so let's type that in. So we got the -33. Alright, so submit for testing. Alright, it came back and looks like we got the other one correctly as well. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.